Oh, oh, it's cute,
Look
man.
at
Lovely. Oh, the colors are perfectly right and everything. The little nose, beautiful. So nice. Oh, a jellyfish.
right.
Look at those colors. It's beautiful. My goodness.
Gosh, eh?
Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Sure.
Lovely.
Two more.
Okay.
Do you get a chance to show these to children at all?
On Thanksgiving, I went to this family, the Dishfields, and they are a family of 26.
Right.
So after the dinner, they cleared this area and put my basket next to my chair. And I was all set to have to tell little things about each animal.
No.
I immediately took care of that.
Ah, lovely. An oyster.
A scallop.
Lovely. Oh, man.
A clam.
Clam. So beautiful. Look at that.
So clever, Carol.
The eyes. Yeah. Gee.
Well, they can look in different directions.
Yeah. Beautiful, man.
One more.
Okay. Oh, a chameleon. Or is he?
Yep.
Yeah, chameleon. Absolutely gorgeous.
I brought this out,
Yeah.
and I was going to call it something like a lizard,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
an iguana.
Yeah.
This little 2-year-old says, a chameleon.
Ah, wonderful.
I was surprised he knew that big word.
Yes, because they're not common.
Wait a minute, I get my fingers in the eyes. There, I can make them bulge.
Oh, look
Oh,
at that.
lovely, man. Gee.
Yeah, because a chameleon can look backwards, can't he?
Backwards and forwards.
Yeah.
Fabulous, Carol. Oh, that was such fun. Thank you.
Yeah.
So lovely, man.
I just remembered this morning that we had talked about this, and I don't keep them here.